Hi guys, my name is Ilzi. I am a scientist and I'm also the host of the Tales of an African Princess in America podcast. Like I always share with you guys, I moved to the US for graduate school, and after graduation I was able to self-petition for my green card under the employment-based second preference national interest waiver category, otherwise called the EB2NIW category. I did so without the help of any lawyers, any sponsors. I was able to self-petition for my green card, yes. So I always like to encourage people who have exceptional abilities and advanced degrees to apply for their green cards under the EB2NIW category. I have lots of resources that would help you successfully apply for your green card. First, I put together an EB2NIW toolkit that will help you successfully get your application off the ground. This toolkit has sample recommendation letters, sample petition letters, my original application. It also has a list of all the documents I submitted to get approved for a green card under the EB2NIW category. I've also set up free Zoom classes to share information as well as answer your burning questions. So far, I've trained over 100 individuals who are interested in applying for their green card under the EB2NIW category, and I really want you to have that resource as well. I also put up a series of videos on YouTube under my channel, African Princess in America, where I educate people on applying for a green card under the EB2NIW category. I also offer consultation services to help you go through your petition letter and your application to make sure that you're not leaving anything out, and just give you tips and guides that will help you successfully get your green card under this category. If you'd like to be part of any one of my Zoom classes, go ahead and look in the description portion of this video to get information on that. Good luck with your application.